Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace your car battery in 2011 and up Nissan Maxima. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the door and pop the hood. Pop the hood, open it, and it should hold itself. So we have a battery here. In order to get battery out, we will have to remove terminals, negative, positive, and we will have to remove this bracket which is holding down the battery to the car. How do we remove the bracket? We just use a wrench or a socket, 10mm size, and unscrew it. Okay, so we have to unscrew this and this, and over there in the end, if you're gonna follow this line, you'll see that it's a hook, and it holds down the battery to the frame. I already unscrewed mine, so we should, like this, when you're done, just remove it. Okay, put it here for now. Let's take and remove our terminals. So you just have to loosen it that much. You could actually take it off the terminal like this. Simple. One and two. And when you're done, you can just move it to the side. Okay, after that you will need two hands because you will have to take the battery out. So we move this to the side and simply take the battery out. You can take your old battery, go to the parts store, give them, they will give them your old battery, they will give you some core for it, and you buy a new battery. So once you have a new battery, you're gonna take off, there will be caps here, you'll take off caps, make sure that you have same terminal position, negative on the left bottom and positive on the right bottom, and once you have them, same way, slide them in, slide in, put back terminals, tighten them up, and put back the bracket. Okay, so if you note, there will be two. This one is shorter and this one is longer. So longer goes this side and the shorter goes in this side. Hook them on, tighten them up, and you're all set. So as you can see, very simple procedure. Okay guys, so I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.